third week of vaccinations here at the Ludwig Guttmann Centre, and we've delivered 6,000 vaccines in Newham. Right now I'm just adding the sodium chloride to the concentrated vaccine, and I'm just taking out 1.8 millilitres of air.
It's precision work.
Yeah, and then I just need to invert it 10 times. Just checking, make sure there's no particles or crystals, and then just monitoring the time, so then we know when it needs to be discarded.
So you're wiping down every single chair after every single person?
Yes.
Been sitting on it?
Yeah, basically. So we try and limit contact and touching surfaces. So every time someone comes into the chair, they get up, they go into their appointment, and then I'll wipe the chair down with one of these disinfectant cloths.
I'm Dominic. I work with the British Red Cross, but all volunteers. So yeah, we're helping with the kind of the logistical and the front of house side.
So I've been 14 years in investment banking, and this year I've been on a sabbatical. So I thought, well, you know, it might as well help since I have the time.
Change the world in your free time.
Well, why not?
It's about recognising the strengths that we have. So practices have been ringing patients and booking them in and making sure they're reassured before they come. And then here, the team that Newham Health Collaborative have put together of vaccinators, nursing staff, admin and reception.
So there was an 86-year-old lady, and she said, I couldn't sleep because she was just thinking overnight about what's going to happen if I get a jab and what's going to happen after. But when doctor explained to her, she was just perfectly fine. She had her jab and she said, oh, I even didn't feel it.
Lots of staff have said that it's the first time they've seen people for such a long time. It's such a social experience down here. They've seen people from other practices that they just haven't got to see.
Staff tell me, and when I'm here I can see that they're really enjoying it. There's a real positive outlook and a real sense of purpose.
Everybody's super nice.
The cross volunteers, the NHS, is really great working together, and that's, like I was saying, kind of one of the benefits. You're almost socialising whilst you work.
It lifts your spirits a lot.
Everybody has said that they've really enjoyed it.
Professionals in there are all like so overwhelmed by the amount of people coming in and how gracious they are and how happy they are.
It kind of felt like it was the right thing to do.
It's so important that our staff recognise and hear how important the work they've done is. It's vital for every single resident that we make them safe in terms of the vaccine, but also they see that we've done it with real care and real concern for their welfare. And I think that's something that every staff member should be proud of.